In Tokyo 2100, the city does not spread across the land. It grows upward, floor by floor, garden by garden, life by life. Here, a single tower is not just a building. It is a neighborhood, a forest, a school, a farm, and a home. This is Tokyo in 2100, life inside the vertical forest towers. Morning begins far above the old street level. The first sound is not traffic. It is water moving through bamboo channels, birds waking in the canopy, and the soft breath of AI-controlled air. Before people step outside, the tower has already adjusted the light, moisture, airflow, and temperature. The building wakes up with its residents. Homes in these towers do not feel separated from nature. Every apartment opens into shared gardens, quiet terraces, and living walls. Instead of looking out at blank concrete, children see trees outside their windows. Elderly residents sit beside koi ponds without leaving the building. Families meet under cherry blossoms hundreds of meters above the ground. In Tokyo 2100, food does not always arrive from far away. Much of it grows inside the towers themselves. Rice gardens rise floor above floor, watered by clean, recycled streams. Fruit trees grow beside homes, and herbs grow beside schools. The tower does not simply shelter people, it feeds them. The intelligence inside these towers is almost invisible. It does not fill the walls with screens. It works through water, light, shade, soil, and air. When a plant is stressed, a robotic gardener arrives before the leaf turns yellow. When a storm approaches, the tower closes some gardens and protects others. When birds migrate, the tower dims its lights and opens safe paths through the sky. The towers changed Tokyo for people, but they also changed it for wildlife. Birds nest on upper terraces where the air is cleaner and cooler. Butterflies and bees travel across flowering sky bridges. Small animals move through mossy corridors that run above the old street level. For the first time, density does not push life away. It gives life more places to return. Movement inside Tokyo 2100 feels different from the cities of the past. People travel upward through gardens, not just elevators. Sky corridors connect homes, farms, schools, clinics, and quiet public spaces. The city still moves quickly, but it no longer feels rushed. Tokyo 2100 is not impressive because it is tall. It is impressive because it made height feel human. It turned density into shelter, towers into forests, and technology into care. This is the future Tokyo chose. Not louder, not darker, but greener, softer, and more alive. A city where the future does not erase nature. It grows around it. This is Tokyo in 2100. Life inside the vertical forest towers.